Hi everyone from this gorgeous coast here in Moray. My name is Selena.
I'm Anthony and we're here for Orkney Science Festival.
Hunting for some treasures.
Collecting waste.
And finally showing you how to make Selkie'S ghost net bracelet from lost and discarded pieces of fishing nets salvaged from our little coastal cleanup here today. Now we are going to show you how to make a Selkie'S ghost net bracelet.
What a good day.
Yeah, what a great day indeed, collecting wash-ashore waste from this quite remote and not easy accessible shore here between Kingston and Lossiemouth.
What treasures we found. It's really surprising to see how much fishing gear has been washed up here. It must be the way the currents work in this area. Here's one of the favourite treasures of the day for both of us. This is well preserved from wind and tide, a lobster holding net. Do you have any creative ideas what you'll do with it, Selena?
I'm not quite sure yet, but probably we'll start with some kind of photography and I will then see where this will lead me next. We also found some good pieces of rust metal that I like to use in my textile dyeing experiments. There are techniques online available if you wish to find out how to do it. For me, it's just great that the technique of rust dyeing works on both synthetics and on natural garments, and that the results are always intriguing.
Surprisingly, there were not so many other types of consumer waste here. Just a few PTE, plastic bottles, and HDP containers. Both types of these plastics are great for making jewellery.
You can see the detailed classes, techniques for discarded plastic designs on the website Fashion the Future Org, and also on the Fashion the Future YouTube channel. There are lots of wonderful projects removing ghost nets like Bracelet and Planet Low Life, and you can buy similar types of bracelets and show that you care about the ocean.
You can also empower yourself by taking some of the waste materials and turn it into something that makes a statement. All about how we should feel.
Like the Selkie'S ghost net bracelets we were making here today. Until next time,
take care,
stay creative, and see you soon. Bye.
Bye.